Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So y'all, check it out. I went to Rainbow and I was like, you know what? Let me go check their perfume out. Girl, they have something new at Rainbow. And I was like, let me take a look at this because this looked like something that I have. Bam. What do she remind you of? I will put it right there on the screen, okay? This right here. This one right here is by United Scents, and it is Jasmine plus vanilla. Jasmine plus vanilla. And it says body. This right here is a 1.7 full ounces, which is 50 ml bottle. And this is what she looks like all around, y'all. At the bottom, it was $4.99. At the bottom, it has some notes. And I'm sorry that y'all can't see all of that. I'll try to move it back. But, girl, okay, who should remind you of? Okay, so before I even get into all of that, let me just go ahead on and get some notes right here. I looked everywhere to try to find some notes, and I cannot find any notes to her online because she's new. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just try to do more investigation. So I investigated in my phone and doing everything, and I happened to look at the bottom and some notes are here. So the notes they have is jasmine, musk, and vanilla orchard. Okay, again, vanilla, the top notes are vanilla orchard, musk, and jasmine. That's all they give you. They don't give you anything else. So I'm going to go ahead on and get into this, and I'm going to tell you who I think that this belongs to. So let's just go ahead on and open her up, y'all. And this is $4.99 at Rainbow. And I was like, you know what? When I saw her, I said, oh, she is really, you know, mimicking my girl. She's inspired by my girl. So let's see what she smells like, though. So this is the box right here. Oh, I forgot you. I'm sorry. SMR. ASMR. In the box, just like, girl, let me just be quiet, okay? All she needs is a scarf, okay? All she needs is a scarf right there. Anyway. All right, y'all. So this is what the box looked like. She looked like she's looking up. Maybe she see Jesus. Okay, y'all. So let's go ahead and open her up. When you open her up, this is what she looks like. Isn't she like really clean looking and really cute? Girl, the box and flew all the way over there. She is so gorgeous. So clean looking, y'all. I love the indents in it. Y'all already know who she's mimicking. If not, then you guys, please, let me introduce you to Ariana Mod, okay? This is what it looks like. And I will post a picture up here so you can see the box and what the box looks like. So let me just try to get the box that I done just dropped. So I'm going to put this box right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put her right there, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. All she needs is a scarf, okay? So this one right here is Mod, Ariana Grande, Mod, Vanilla. Baby, I love this. I love Ariana Grande, and I have the other one, but we're talking about this one today. So let's go ahead on and get the notes to our Ariana Grande, Mod Vanilla. Okay, Mod Vanilla is Oriental vanilla fragrance for women. This is a new fragrance. Mod Vanilla was launched in 2022. Top notes are musk, plum, and pink freesia. Middle notes are praline and orris root. Base notes are vanilla and cocoa butter. Now, I see that they have the musk. I don't see that it has some of the other notes. Like this has, well, yes, the vanilla is in here. Vanilla and the musk, but I see where they have jasmine. I don't see where it says that it has jasmine in the Ariana Grande. But guess what though, y'all? We still gonna move this train on forward, okay? Because I know still that even though it doesn't say it, it has to mimic it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Ariana Grande right here. Ooh, Ariana Grande is really sweet, y'all. Oh my goodness, and really almost gone. I try to save her, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna fan her out right there. You know that Ariana Grande, oh my goodness, Ariana Grande is definitely a floral but sweet gourmand. It's warm too, but it's a little floral as well. You know, so if you like florals, it smells floral as well. So, oh baby, that smells so good. So I'm giving it time. Okay, so let's go ahead on and spray. Look at the top. Look at the indents, y'all. They tried to do some things. It's okay. Oh, that's a heavy top, though. It's a heavy top. Well, it's hollow heavy. But it's really pretty. I like it. You know, it's plasticky. But, ooh, baby, I'm dropping everything. But it's like a matte top. And it's really cute. I mean, it looked like... I done seen something that was worse than this. You know what I'm saying? But this is not bad. This is not bad for a nice top. Okay, so... let's go ahead on and give her a spray. Now, I told y'all, Ariana Grande is sweet floral. You smell the vanilla in there. Definitely the cocoa butter. You smell that as well. She is just that girl. Okay, let's spray this here. Oh, the spray, it sprays out a whole lot, y'all. Okay. I'm going to go ahead on and wave her so she can dry out a little bit, y'all. Could let her just dry on her own, but honey, we'll be here forever, okay? Because she's wet. You see all that I sprayed? Oh, I can smell what they're trying to do. I can smell what they're trying to do, baby. Okay? She's new, and the name of her is Body. I love the bottle. She's still wet. Oh, yes. I smell what they're trying to do. Oh, my goodness. Now, if you like, it smells sweet. It smells floral-like, warm. You do smell it's like they have cocoa butter in here. Ariana Grande is much stronger than this one, but baby, this is smelling like her. This has a DNA in her. I wouldn't say it's 100%, but she does smell like it. If you are on a budget, baby, and you want to get the Omg Vanilla by Ariana Grande, and you don't have them dollars for it, okay? She's very, very light. Very light. I would say faint like. So put on some oil or I wouldn't say like a lotion. If it's a lotion, make sure the lotion is like you could put a vanilla lotion on with her and it probably will spike her up more. Or put on a plain lotion with no scent. And I smell it. Y'all, I really do. I really do smell this and I really do like it. Ariana Grande, y'all know Ariana Grande Omg Vanilla does not last all day. I would say maybe about an hour and something. For me, an hour and something. But this smells good, y'all. This smells good. Of course, I would say spray about 20 times, but if you want it stronger. But let me see if it's stronger on my clothes. Let's see. Let me spray on my shirt, on my sweater. Let's see if it's stronger on my shirt. Okay, first off, I get alcohol. Okay, I get alcohol. Why every time I'm recording, somebody always be on my phone? Oh, yeah, y'all. Yeah. I smell her. Baby, listen. I have a little bit in this. I would mix her with her, okay? This smells really good. She's not offensive. If you're someone who wants some perfume that smells vanilla, smells gentle, vanilla-y. You smell the jasmine. Everything that they said that is in here, the jasmine, the musk, you smell the musk, but the musk is kind of like hitting a little bit because the vanilla is coming out through it. So, baby, this smells amazing. This smells really good. And the longer you let it sit and let it dry down, it's taking on the top notes and middle notes. Everything is just right there. This really smells good. I actually would purchase another one of these. You know, it's $4.99 and it's at Rainbow. I would purchase another one of these because this is something that's good. I say you can have this. You can go to a job where it's corporate and will not offend anybody. It will be nice, but someone would have to get close to you and be like, oh, and when they smell you, or if they hug you, they'll be like, what you have on? And, you know, they can smell it. Now, I think that you would have to respray it, of course, just like the Ariana Grande Omg Vanilla. I have to keep spraying this throughout the day so I can continue, you know, to have the scent. But this smells really good. This smells like her, y'all. This smells like her. This really smells like her. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. I would say like 90% like it. This smells good, y'all. This smells good. Let me smell it on my... Yes. I would say that she's all right. She's all right. But for a teenager, yes. A teenager would like it. For an older person, I say around maybe 30s, 40s. You probably would like it too. I mean, but at the same time, you know what? Really, you can't give an age group like that, because some older people like younger people scent. Some younger people like older people scent. So, I mean, this phone is tripping. I'm sorry, y'all. So, but at the same time, baby, this is a winner. I like it. It's new. I know once it sit there and macerate even more on my shelf, baby, it's going to get sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. But I can smell it. It does have, it smell like a macadamia cookie to me. That's what this smell like a little bit. A macadamia vanilla cookie. This smells good. It smells good. I like it. I like it a lot, y'all. So this is the inspired Ariana Grande Mod Vanilla. And this is what the bottle looks like. You know, they try to go ahead and do their little indents and stuff. And, you know, the box shows her. Yo, I'm trying to get a thumbnail. I did that like, because it's new, you know. All right, guys. So yes, I would say this is a go. Okay, this is a go. I think once it macerate more on my shelf, it'd be nice. But this is nice already to me, and I will wear this. Nobody would get offended. If you have allergies, no problem. Oh, y'all, wait a minute. They have dents all in this bottle. Look. Look at this. I didn't see that. And then in the back, it has that as well. Girl, look. You take this off, and guess what you have? Ariana Grande. Wow, y'all. Did you see this? Take the top off, and what you have? Ariana Grande. Wow. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. And this right here is definitely inspired by Ariana Grande Mod Vanilla. And you can purchase it at Rainbow for $4.99. I haven't seen it anywhere else online or anywhere else in stores. So I saw this. I stumbled on it. And then I checked, you know, did my research to see if it was on YouTube. Nobody has done this yet on YouTube. But if they have, then Joe, check them out too. Yo, I'm not saying just check me. Check them too. And see what their review is like. But I'm telling you, this smells really, really good. And I will go get me a backup bottle. All right, guys. So you already know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.